What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google AdSense account in 2020. It's easy. With 2-3 steps you're gonna have your own Google AdSense account. So what you need to do is just come to your browser, right here Google AdSense, press enter, go to their official website. If you have a account, so it's normally just click login, but if you don't have, just click to start now. You need to paste here the URL link of your YouTube and an email address, and then press yes, save and continue. And here they recognize it's a YouTube channel and just continue into YouTube. You will see here the monetize with your YouTube partner program. The requirement from YouTube is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour, and then you will get paid. But if you don't complete this requirement, you will have something like this. After completing the requirement from YouTube, you can go directly to your Google AdSense account and you can control the payments that you get from them. So on monetizing a channel or a account, I have another video. I put your card up there, you just click it there. You can see how to monetize your channel in 2020. So once you are completed this requirement, you can go to your AdSense Google AdSense account and it looks like this. So they will show you how much money you get so far in today, last day, in 20 days, in the last 25 days, or in the month. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I said, I put you a link and a card that you can see how to monetize your channel in 2020. Thank you so much. If you like this video, comment, share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much again. Have a good time. Stay good. Bye bye.